People say being a mom is a full-time job. But what's it like taking care of 3 or 4 infants at the same time? Massachusetts is among 3 states that have the lowest ratio of infants to caregivers. It requires centers to keep it 3-1, according to a recent report from the State Senate Committee. But Marilyn Robinson, a teacher at an infant childcare center, says the ratio is often 2-7 or even 3-10 if the center is licensed.
I can't even express how many times I went home stressed. I mean, sometimes even with an extra teacher, it's like a lot.
With COVID restrictions, Robinson says the workload on teachers has also increased.
It was easier when parents were allowed to come in the room because they can just come, get their child, put their jacket on. We also have to do that. And then we also have to bring their strollers outside.
Robinson says that workers in childcare should be treated better.
I think we definitely deserve better pay. I don't think we're respected for what we do. Public school teachers, they get like summer off, and here we are sometimes having to go to work when there's really, really bad snowstorms, because that's just what's usually expected of us.
She says working conditions may be one of the reasons we are seeing a decline in childcare workers.
Teachers are also burnt out. They're starting to realize their worth. I'm sure many people feel like they're not appreciated or respected.
Parents are also struggling to find affordable daycare. Mother of 2 young children, Ilona Yahayev, sees her interests conflicting teachers.
What you drawing? They need to get paid more. I need to pay less. And the decision why I waited so long to have a second child is because I could not afford to have 2 children in preschool together.
She says early education is both important for her children's growth and society.
I wouldn't and I couldn't do it the same way the teachers can. I don't have curriculums. I don't have structure. If these children are not well cared for, they're going to grow up to be broken adults, and that's going to hurt your bottom line.
Yahayev is willing to pay in taxes if it means a better public education for all children.
I want the government to step in and bridge the gap between what families can afford and what the cost is. So yeah, I think the solution is to spend money on it. There's no way around it.
For caregivers, Robinson sees the solution as paying workers livable wage and getting more support from state agencies. For WEBN News, I'm Maria Sato.